day 2, Hampster Trail. I just said bye to Uncle Bob, and he's heading back down to his house in Mass. So I'm hitting the trail again. I'm just outside of Littleton, and the road is a little bit wet, a little bit sticky from yesterday, which is nice. But my front end is kind of tracking a little bit more this morning than it was yesterday. The roads were wet, but not too wet. So today I'm gonna finish out the Hampshire Trail. Hopefully get all the way up north, almost into Canada, and then meet up in Arrow with some Triumph buddies and camp out in Arrow for the night. Yeah, so let's just hope that the day goes well and the clouds give way to some sunshine and I can get out of this rain. Couldn't ask for anything more. Just loving it, loving the Hampster Trail, baby.
You have to be registered in Maine?
Yes, sir.
You have to be registered in New Hampshire to go off the trail. You can stay on the road.
I know that.
The road's about 5 miles.
Okay,
6
cool.
miles, and then
Awesome.
yeah, see a big power station.
Yep.
Keep to the left, and it dead ends right there. You can't.
Perfect. Cool.
Let me see. You might be able to. You can. Power station.
Yep.
Okay. Go down, and you'll see Paris Road.
Okay.
It'll be a left. There'll be some new dirt on the. It'll say Paris Road on the left. That'll take you all the way out to Stark.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll keep an eye out for that. Thank you.
that'll
Paris Road.
Paris Road. Just go up here. Keep to the left. You'll see the power station. There'll be a sign: no ATVs, no OHRVs. But because you're registered, you can go down and take the first left. It'll say Paris Road.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It'll take you right out to Stark.
Have a good day. is the last leg of the Hampster trail here, gassed up in Errol. So about 79 to 80 miles to the end of this, to the Hampster trail, to the end, and I can only go about 140 miles on a tank, so definitely going to be breaking out the old Rota packs in the back on the way home, because I'm going to run out of fuel in my tank, and there's no gas between there and the end of the trail, basically, that I've been able to pick up on the map. So should be interesting. But yes, the final stretch, and roads have been great. The rain has held off. The roads are still sticky. So couldn't ask for anything else. Mannix is excited. Let's go get some more dirt. Was that worth it? I don't know. I got some water in my boots. Nasty brown water too. Well, here we are. This is the end of the Hampster. I am not crossing that, and it's just up here a few feet according to the GPS, but Canada is literally over that hill right up there, and red squirrels are even out here. Hate squirrels, red squirrels. So that's it. Made it to the end. I can't believe it. Well, not entirely the end, but I don't really feel like taking a bath in that pond water, so it's time to turn around. I'm almost on empty, so let's see how far I can get before I gotta break out the Rotopacks. But here we go, back to Errol and camp for the night. Well, there she goes. First drop ever. Time to get her back up. Clearstream Campground. End of day 2. Clearstream Campground. I met up with Tom's earlier. They were going to go do some more riding. But I've been riding since 9 this morning and I'm just tired, especially after that tip over. So many emotions go through your mind when that happens. And it's emotionally draining. But I'll see you tomorrow.
We